In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Minecraft launcher to your desktop. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Because of the changes to the Windows apps and the way you get the Minecraft launcher, you need to do a different method to add the Minecraft launcher to your desktop. What you have to do is press the Windows key plus R on your keyboard to bring up the Run window. You can also bring up this window by clicking on the Windows Start menu and looking for Run. Within this window, type Shell Apps folder and press OK. You will be redirected to this Applications folder, and as you can probably notice, these are all our Microsoft or Windows Store applications, which means that if we look for Minecraft, we have 2 instances of Minecraft here. You can then just drag and drop the Minecraft launcher to your desktop and rename it to whatever you want, for example, just Minecraft. After you drag and drop the Minecraft launcher to your desktop, you can just open it up and the Minecraft launcher will open up as usual and you can start playing right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to add Minecraft launcher to your desktop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.